Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Residual 100. And I'm telling you what, it is off like a rocket ship to the north. I could not be more excited. We're going to get into Residual 100 in this video. We're going to talk about the benefits of the program, how it's working, tell you some updates. And some people are calling it one of the biggest launches of 2024. And just hang on tight. We just got a few more months left in this year. 25 is going to be incredible. I'm going to roll this, and then we'll get back to Residual 100 on the other side. Tim Thomas here. Before we get started, make sure we like the video. I really would appreciate if you like the video. It helps rank the video higher. And when I upload videos, if you like this video, you'll see more videos in your feed from me. And it helps push the algorithm out. So welcome to the video. Go ahead and make sure you, again, I'm doubling down, liking the video. And consider subscribing to the channel. The channel's about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. When you look at the YouTube channel, folks, I am in residual income opportunities, and every one of them are off to the races. And residual income is what you need. You have to have residual income. I just added a fourth residual income, a fourth stream of residual income. What's the thing that Costco and Sam's Club sells the most? It's not Coca-Colas, it's not cakes, it's not printing paper. It is subscription plans. You make a sale one time and you get paid over and over, potentially for the remainder of your life. Folks, we've got a winner here, Residual 100. Before I dive into Residual 100, let me tell you as far as what I've got going on with residual income. My number one residual opportunity, of course, is American Bill Money, followed with VIP Savings Club. We're in that thing. We're rocking and rolling. And that's a matrix program. We just joined a few days ago. Wealth Step by Step. We're going to build that thing up to $10,000 per month. And now, my friends, we are pushing Residual 100. You can check all those other programs out on the channel. Of course, I got a playlist for most of everything that I do. Check out the playlist, and we will go from there. Before I dive into Residual 100, up under the video, I'm recommending some mailing lists like Northco. Get Northco, guys and gals. Northco, of course, Wilson's List, and I'm going back to Prime Choice List. Any of those that you don't find in the video, just send me an email. I'll send you a copy to get you started. The money is in the list. Game changer. Residual 100. Look at this postcard, folks. It's one of the best postcards to date that I've seen in 24. We've got a winner. This is a game changer. And we're going to go over the postcard. We're going to go over the benefits of it. I'm going to tell you, folks, if you're not in Residual 100, you want to pause the video. It's just that important. Pause the video and join today. I told the admin of the company that you're going to need more help in the next few months. And that is a good problem to have. Residual income, folks, I'm going to put it up there in the top 5 programs for 2024. It is amazing the way they designed it, and I could not be more excited about the compensation plan, the residual income effect, that you can create multiple pay lines through infinity with this program. How many do you want? 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 40, 100 pay lines paying you residual income at the $100, $500, or the $1,000 level. Before we get into the postcard, I am going to go over here and show you the benefits of being in Residual 100. Let's look at the benefits here. I am super excited about it. Let's talk about, people are calling Residual 100 one of the biggest launches of 24. And as we are going into 25, it's going to be incredible. I'm excited to share with you this new residual income opportunity. People love this offline concept. No computers to deal with, no websites. There is no telling, there is no sharing, there is no explaining. All you do is mail a postcard. It is a 100% done for you business. Can you mail a postcard? And I'm going to tell you, folks, I'm going to do a separate video. I'm getting ready to order probably 2,000 of those postcards. I'm coming to my friends right over here at Print Runner. And I know a couple things about postcard mailing. Look at all my past orders, folks. I've got order after order after order after order of postcard marketing. Postcard marketing and a plan like Residual 100 can easily, if you take action, not just look at a video, but get started today. Call the admin today and take action, can get you to 5 to 10 grand per month or more. Of course, as an income disclaimer, in life, nothing happens until you take action and you do a lot of it. And I'm telling you what, the plan that I've got, that we market programs like this on the front side while we're building the residual income other programs out to $5,000, $10,000 plus per month. This is a winning formula. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? People absolutely love this offline concept. You're going to get paid $100, $500, or $1,000 per sale. And when you start building teams at these levels, you're going to be able to create residual income pay lines. Again, how many do you want? Just mail postcards and make money. It has a 2-tier pay plan. What do we mean by 2-tier pay plan? Let me give you some examples of the $100 level, the $500 level, and the $1,000 level. Of course, when you join at the higher level, it automatically puts you at the lower levels. You can upgrade it at any time. The $100 level, here is the breakdown. Let's get a clear understanding of what we've got going on, folks, and this is exciting. It costs $300 to join. $100 will go to you, and $100 to your sponsor. $100 to the admin. Well, what are the benefits? What is the product and service, the value? Well, folks, let me tell you what. This is exciting. The sales are going to be closed for you. Can be done on or offline. It has a real tangible product. You're going to get a flash drive, never to speak to anybody, no monthly fees. At the $100 level, this is what's going to happen. $100 go to you, $100 to sponsor, $100 to the admin. Done for you closings, a flash drive loaded with marketing and training resources. At the $500 level, it's going to cost you $1,250 to join. This is incredible. Very modest price. $500 will go to you, $500 to your sponsor, $200 to the admin. Done for you closings, flash drive loaded with marketing and training resources. You're going to get $500 forever stamps. Now, again, far as the product, the service, the value, this is subject to change, but this is what we've got for today. As we're going, as the company grows, this may change over time. But if you come in today, this is what we're going to honor for you if you saw this video. Of course, if you see this video 10 months down the road, it may have changed, but this is what we've got as the program is just launching. At the $1,000 level, it's going to cost you $2,500 to join. It'll be $1,000 to you, $1,000 to your sponsor. Timothy, will people join at the $2,500 level? The answer is absolutely yes. This program is that good. People can and will be joining at that level. In fact, there are people right now getting the money together with the $2,500 level. Folks, I kid you not, this is exciting. $500 to the admin. You're going to get done for you closings, a flash drive loaded with marketing and training resources. You're going to get 1,000 forever stamps and 1,000-piece postcard mailing. Folks, this is incredible. And when you call the admin, if you have any questions about what you're going to receive, you can get all the details when you talk to the admin of the company. Folks, this is powerful. You're going to get paid $100, $500, $1,000 from all your members. And when you bring a person in, every time you bring somebody in, you are creating a residual income pay line. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? This is exciting. How many do you want? Again, this is exciting. What you're going to do, I've attached a postcard for you to review. You're going to listen to this toll-free message. You're going to call this number. It's about a little over a 2-minute call, right at 2 minutes. And you're going to leave the ID number 1581. Leave your name, your phone number, and your ID number. And the call center will call you back. Folks, this is exciting. I'm excited about this program. How many pay lines do you want? Again, 5, 10, 15, 25, 50, 100, so on and so on. It is possible for a program like this to run for some years to come. Very excited about this. And the first, 200, 300, 400 people in this program could bank a lot of income. It is absolutely possible with a program like this. It is simple. It is absolutely affordable. People get it. All they do is mail a postcard. It is done for you. We have recommended training, recommended resources, recommended mailing lists. All you do is plug into this new game changer and start to earn immediate income. Folks, I'm going over to Print Runner. Are you listening to me? I am going over to Print Runner. I'm going to order 2,000 of this postcard. And I'm telling you what, the good times are going to roll. Get in now, and Christmas, you don't have to charge Christmas this year. You can and will have probably more than enough to take you through Christmas, all into the middle of next year and beyond. Folks, I'm telling you what, why finance Christmas when you can pay for it in cash? No computers needed, no website needed. Everyone can succeed here. You all have to apologize for me. I have to apologize because if I get a little hyped up, because when I see a winner, I get excited and I know what's possible with direct mail. This is the direct mail boom season. Mary Beth talks about it all the time. For those of y'all that have been around, now through the end of the year, it pauses the week of Christmas and the week after Christmas. But January, almost December the 29th, it picks back up all the way through June of next year. Folks, that's how Work at Home works, and it is exciting. This opportunity can change your life if you take massive action. I'm telling you. Well, Timothy, how do we get started? In this game changer, what you're going to do, you're going to follow these 3 simple steps. You're going to call the phone number that's listed below. You're going to listen to the 2-minute messages. You're going to leave your name and your phone number very clearly. And a representative from the company will call you back. Folks, this is Residual 100, and I could not be more excited to bring it to you. Get started today and win big. In my next video, I'll probably walk you through how to order your postcards. You get a PDF from the company. You can come right over here to Print Runner. Takes all of a few minutes, 2 minutes to create an account, upload your postcard, and order them as soon as you get your PDF. Folks, that is my time for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, give it a thumbs up. Bye for now. Until the next Residual 100 video.